noise of going into reverse. Yeah, the clutch would be good at that.
No.
Keep going a little bit. Stop. It's like going like that.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Oh, okay.
Tires don't line up with the lane.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
You're good.
Yeah, you're good.
You're good.
I think. Wait a sec. You stall it? It's only into reverse. Your wheel's stuck, you're turning too hard. Okay. Yeah. Oh, the wheel's against this thing. Straighten it out. Other way. Yeah. I think that's gonna be the best we can do. Yeah. It might squeak a little bit on the rubber, but we'll see. Okay. Yeah, try and go up a little bit. Wait, are you in first or neutral? Actually, They're not going in first. No? What?
Okay, let's see. Not bad. How am I doing?
Yeah. You should be able to clear it. Oh, back there? Yeah. You're good. You're almost off.
I swear to God, it was going to explode.
Trail up the driveway.
We'll see. All right, let's see if we can put it in a reverse one more time. I feel like it's getting better as
Yeah.
Okay, stop.
Okay, so here we have 1985 Toyota Supra and my terrible voice with a slight lisp that's emphasized with the camera. So right now, exterior is in somewhat decent condition with bad Bondo, which was never painted over, so I'm gonna have to redo that or put trim back on or both. And there's some missing hubcaps and minor things like that. On the back here it has some spots which got scuffed up, and so have to put some Bondo over this and sand it down. Everything's quite dusty on the back. There's cracked and peeling paint on both the rear bumper and the front bumper. I think this was either removed from this car or taken from a separate car at some point. Luckily the trunk opens and actually stays up. Unfortunately, the hood does not stay up. This key hole does not work, but the interior is one of the best ones I've seen on this generation of Supra. They replaced the radio, and this was an automatic, but was swapped out before I bought it. There's a whole ton of screwed up electronics in here. This is not secured down anymore. I think it was, and the connection just broke. It's hot wired because I don't know. Yeah. Then, oh, my battery's dying. Okay. Then sunroof needs some work. The car does turn on and start and drive, but the battery's dead right now because I was messing around with it too much. And if we pop the hood, oh, also, this doesn't seem to have a seal here, but it doesn't leak, so I don't know. This was definitely done with caulking to seal it here. It's coming off and done very poorly. I have a PVC pipe here to hold up the hood because it does not like to hold itself up. It's already starting to fall, so that kind of holds it. The battery's disconnected currently. There's also, even though it runs and drives, it's missing a belt right down there. Yeah. And I don't know why it runs and drives without that. There's a few rusty parts. This has actually fallen off from here, and will have to be moved eventually. I'm gonna get to all that sometime soon. The front bumper, very cracked. They painted half of it, definitely with a spray can or something like that. So I'll have to sand this smooth and everything. Unfortunately, you can see old black paint here under the slightly newer black paint. Both have been chipped away. This had black paint under it. There's also a second Toyota badge here. Don't know why. Let's see. I think that's about it for a rough overview. The hood opening, not hood opening, the trunk opening from the inside does not work. Also, those are the car speakers, not over here. I don't know why. And there's also a pair in the back, which if I move the seat forward, I can possibly show. There's another set in the back, and that's pretty much it. Yeah.